Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the timer in your Panasonic air conditioner in 2026. So first of all you need to take your Panasonic AC remote and then you need to point it towards the indoor unit. Now once you have done that, you just have to simply press this particular cancel button only once. Now on many of the Panasonic remotes, this immediately removes the timer and the small clock and the timer icon disappears from the display. Now if the timer still stays even after pressing this particular cancel button, you can just simply do this. You just have to simply locate the timer option on top of your remote. So you just have to simply press the timer option or the timer button in order to basically turn the timer on. Then you just have to press the cancel button again, then press the timer button in order to turn it off, and then press the cancel button again. This is also going to clear both automatic on and off schedules completely. If your AC still shuts off automatically after some time, the sleep timer may be active. So in this particular situation, you just have to simply take a look at this particular sleep button on top of your remote. So you need to simply press the sleep button repeatedly until the display shows you 0 hours or sleep off. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the timer is turned off. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.